You know that person who walks into the room like they own the oxygen? Big handshake, loud voice, eye contact so intense you feel like they can see your childhood trauma? Yeah, we often call that confidence. But what if that's not it? What if real confidence isn't loud at all? What if it's quiet, calm, even soft? Welcome to the rise of soft confidence and why it might be the biggest psychological flex. Let's get real. We've been sold this myth that confidence looks like an alpha wolf with a LinkedIn bio and a power pose. But in psychology, that kind of confidence is often performative. It's external validation dressed up as certainty. Why do people overcompensate with loud energy? Because they're trying to convince themselves just as much as they're trying to convince you. Think of it like this. If your Wi-Fi is strong, you don't need to keep checking if it's working. True confidence doesn't shout. It just is. So what is soft confidence? It's not shy. It's not weak. It's the kind of calm certainty that says, I'm good, with or without applause. Imagine saying, I don't know, and feeling no shame. Choosing not to speak, just to fill silence. Being comfortable not being the center of attention. Soft confidence is strength without noise. It's peace over performance, presence over proving. And honestly, it's magnetic. So why is soft confidence blowing up now? Because people are tired. Tired of the hustle, tired of the noise, tired of pretending. We're entering a post-performative era. Now authenticity beats authority. Emotional intelligence beats ego. And let's be honest, after surviving a pandemic, burnout culture, and endless Zoom meetings, the last thing we want is more fake confidence. We want realness. And realness is soft. Want to spot the difference? Fake confidence interrupts to prove a point. Real confidence listens without needing to win. Fake confidence people always needs to be right. But real confidence people, they okay being wrong. Fake confidence people are loud in a group. Meanwhile, real confidence people is centered when alone. Fake confidence people like to flexes, but the real confidence people are down to earth. So which one you want to be? Ever met someone who made you feel more confident just by being around them? That's soft confidence in action. Okay, so how do you build soft confidence? 1. Micro silence. Pause before you speak. It shows you're not rushing to prove, just present. 2. Self-approval, before social approval. Ask yourself, would I still like this decision if nobody clapped for it? 3. The I'm okay either way rule. Before a meeting, date, or risky decision, tell yourself, I'll give it my best, but I'm okay either way. It detaches confidence from outcome. Imagine this. You're in a meeting. You don't know the answer. Instead of bluffing, you say, I'm not sure. Let me check and get back to you. And guess what? Nobody explodes. Nobody points and laughs. Instead, they trust you more. Because soft confidence doesn't fear transparency. It thrives in it. So let's rewrite the confidence rulebook. Loud isn't strong. Perfect isn't powerful. And cool? Cool is overrated. Now, strength is being okay with who you are, without needing everyone else to clap for it. That's soft confidence. That's the real flex. And honestly, it might just change your life. What's one moment you showed quiet confidence recently? Drop it in the comments. If this gave you a new lens on yourself, give it a like and subscribe to The Growth Layer, where we grow quietly, deeply, and layer by layer.